In this video, I want to show you how fast the Brother HL-L2460DW prints. So I'll print different sorts of documents with a timer just to give you an idea. And just for your information, every document will be sent from my Mac to this Brother using my Wi-Fi network. So for the first test, we have a text document of 4 pages. The printer is able to print duplex, so it means double-sided. And I will activate this feature over here. So here we have it. To print 4 pages on 2 sheets of paper, it took us 26 seconds from the moment I pressed start on the computer. Not bad. And I forgot to mention, but I set the quality to normal. There's also best and also draft. This is the medium quality that this printer is able to produce. Now for our next page that I want to try printing is this one. It's in color. Obviously this printer does not print in color, only in black and white, but it's just to give you an idea since it has some graphics and some pictures. In this case, it took us 13 seconds only to print this document. If you're going to print the same document on a inkjet printer, even in black and white, it will take a lot more time. Here, it got the job done quite quickly. And as a last test, I want to print this page over here where it has mostly just text in 10 different copies without using the duplex double-sided feature. So every page will be printed only on one single side in 10 different copies. "28 seconds to print 10 times this document." This is great. If you're a teacher or somebody which needs to print very large documents with multiple pages, I think the speed of this printer is quite impressive. And this printer is able to print many more pages than this. This is not that much comparing to what this printer is capable of. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to support my channel, please check the Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get this printer or maybe some paper or some toner ink cartridges for your printer. Every time you get something from Amazon using my links, I get a very small commission. If not, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.